Hello everyone and welcome back to Mon-ara's channel. For today's video, we are going to make an emulsified body scrub. This body scrub is made with whipped body butter. Now if you haven't seen my previous video, please check it out. I will put the link to the video in the description box below. Now some of today's ingredients include a whipped body butter, or you can use any base of your choice, some salt. I am using pink sea salt, some jojoba beets, medium jojoba beets, that also acts as a gentle scrub. I will be using phenolic for my preservative, and it is oil soluble. And last but not the least, I am adding some polysorbate 80, which will make the body butter into an emulsified body scrub. First of all, you want to measure your base. For today, like I said, I am using my whipped body butter, and you want to just measure that. For this, you don't need any particular measurement, even though I like to measure, but you can totally do this based on your instinct, or you can just eyeball it and then add some of your salt or sugar or whatever alternative you can be using. You want to add that and then mix. Now you just mix gently so that your salt incorporates into the body butter. You want to keep mixing with a spoon or a whisk, but not like a mixer, just so that you can actually gently incorporate the salt in the butter. Next, I am adding my polysorbate 80, and I'm using 10%. Polysorbate 80 is used at 1 to 10%, and I am using a full 10%. For extra scrub, scrub feel, I am adding my jojoba beets. Keep mixing gently just to incorporate. It's a freestyle girl, but what's your name again? How do you feel you die? I wonder what's your name? Once you get your desired texture, add more exfoliant if you like, depending on how light or strong you prefer your scrubs. Just keep adding more exfoliant to your own liking and keep mixing. Please note, it's not in the video, but it's optional. If you want to add any fragrance oil or essential oils, please go ahead and do that. I didn't want to add any fragrance because my whipped body butter had some essential oils, and I just liked the natural fragrance it already had. But please note that the polysorbate 80 does have a very distinct scent, and you might want to add some fragrance oil or essential oils just to cover that up. Now to finish that, you're just going to add your phenolic, which is your preservative. You don't need to, as it is optional, but since I will be using this in the shower and it's likely I get water into this product, I am adding the phenolic so it can last longer. You want to add your phenolic as indicated on the description or as indicated on the bottle, but it is usually from 1% to 1.5% usage. Once you finish mixing everything all together, just scoop it and turn it into your clean jar, and you are good to go. To use this, all you need to do is wet the area you want to scrub and then apply your scrub to that area in circular motion. You can use this on wet skin or on dry skin. For wet skin, I like to use right after washing my face. I did say it's body scrub, so you can use this for body or for face. And when it's for body, I like to do a dry scrub. Just sit in your bathtub, take some scrub, and then gently apply to skin in circular motion, just like in the video. Then rinse, dry, and then moisturize your skin. Thank you guys for watching.